Looking for a refreshing way to beat the heat while boosting your health? Try lemon chia seed water. This drink is packed with nutrients that can benefit your body in countless ways. In this video, we'll dive into 7 science-backed benefits of incorporating lemon chia seed drink into your summer routine. Welcome to MedVista. We're dedicated to bringing you evidence-based health information in an easy-to-understand way. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video if you find it helpful. Staying well hydrated is crucial, especially during the hot summer months. While water is essential, sometimes our bodies need a little extra help to stay properly hydrated. That's where lemon chia seed drink comes in. Chia seeds are nutritional powerhouses known for their exceptional ability to absorb liquid. Adding a squeeze of lemon not only enhances the flavor, but also provides a boost of electrolytes, further aiding in hydration. These electrolytes are lost through sweat, so replenishing them is essential for maintaining optimal fluid balance. Summer often brings with it a change in our routines and increased exposure to germs. Lemons are a fantastic source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in supporting immune function. Vitamin C helps strengthen your body's natural defenses, making it more resilient to infections. Chia seeds also contribute to a healthy immune system by providing essential minerals like zinc. By incorporating this drink into your diet, you're giving your body the tools it needs to stay healthy all summer long. Summer sun, while enjoyable, can take a toll on our skin. Lemons are packed with antioxidants, including vitamin C, which help combat free radicals and protect your skin from damage. Additionally, chia seeds contain antioxidants like chlorogenic acid and caffeic acid, which further contribute to skin health. These antioxidants work together to protect your skin from the inside out, keeping it radiant even under the summer sun. A healthy gut is essential for overall well-being, and lemon chia seed drink can help keep your digestive system running smoothly. Chia seeds are an excellent source of dietary fiber, a crucial nutrient for maintaining digestive health. Furthermore, the citric acid in lemon juice stimulates the production of digestive juices, aiding in the breakdown of food and nutrient absorption. This can help prevent indigestion and bloating, allowing you to enjoy your summer meals comfortably. Summer heat can often leave us feeling drained and lethargic. Instead of reaching for sugary drinks or caffeine, try a refreshing glass of lemon chia seed drink for a natural energy boost. The combination of carbohydrates, healthy fats, and fiber in chia seeds provides sustained energy release, preventing those dreaded sugar crashes. Lemon adds a zesty flavor that can be invigorating, further helping you combat fatigue and stay productive during the long summer days. Maintaining a healthy weight is often a top priority, especially during the summer months, when we tend to be more active and socialize more. Lemon chia seed drink can be a valuable tool for supporting your weight management goals. The fiber content in chia seeds plays a crucial role in promoting a feeling of fullness and satiety. This can help you manage your calorie intake by reducing cravings and overeating, especially when those summer BBQs and picnics roll around. Additionally, staying well hydrated, which this drink aids in, is essential for weight management. By staying hydrated, you can better manage those signals and make healthier choices. Summer is a great time to focus on detoxifying your body and giving it a fresh start. Lemon chia seed drink can support your body's natural detoxification processes, helping you feel refreshed and revitalized. Lemons are known for their natural diuretic properties, meaning they help flush out excess water and toxins from the body. Chia seeds also contribute to detoxification by promoting regular bowel movements, which helps eliminate waste and toxins from the digestive tract. By supporting your body's natural detoxification pathways, this drink can help you feel lighter and healthier from the inside out. There you have it. 7 fantastic reasons to make lemon chia seed drink your go-to beverage this summer. From boosting your hydration and immune system to supporting digestion and weight management, this simple drink offers a wealth of health benefits. If you enjoyed learning about the benefits of lemon chia seed drink, please subscribe to MedVista and share this video with your friends. We're committed to providing you with practical and informative health advice to help you live your healthiest life.